You can hide apps on your iPhone's home screen without necessarily deleting them. If you tap and hold with your finger to an application, it will bring you these options. Click Remove App, and then it will ask you to uninstall, to delete the app completely from your iPhone, or just to remove it from home screen. If you select Remove from home screen, then it will be hidden on your home screen, but the app will still exist. You can also find the same screen if you tap and hold on an empty space on your phone. Tap and hold, and you should see the app starting to move. Now, if you click on this little icon here, then you will see the same screen asking you whether to delete the app or remove it from home screen. Click on Done, and the apps will stop moving. You can also add or bring back any applications to your home screen. Scroll right until you see this app library screen. If you can see this app directly here, then tap and hold with your finger again and select Add to Home Screen option, so it will be back on your home screen. However, if you don't find it here, then you can search the app on your app library. Here, tap and hold with your finger the app you want to add to your home screen, and then move to left with your finger, and you can drop it to an empty space. Click on Done, and the app will be added to your home screen. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, and you can watch this video next.